out beautiful. So Miss Alyssa is doing a memory rock for April at Parrot Playhouse. It's one of our favorite YouTube channels for bird education, bird adoption. Make sure to check out Parrot Playhouse. Bailey was a special kaik of April's. She was a rescue bird, and we would like to make a memory rock for her because she was such a special part of April's flock and for people all around the world that watch her channel.
Bailey's not feeling good. We just went on Facebook and just kind of updated everybody. So I want to update you what's going on. Bailey's heart disease is getting really bad. And I don't know how long she has left, but it's moving quickly. This last week she had to go back to the hospital, and she's really fighting hard to live at this point.
Spraying the portrait of Bailey the kaik with this satin varnish. This is the finished rock that my daughter Alyssa painted for April at Parrot Playhouse. It turned out beautiful. We all miss Bailey the kaik. She passed away on June 7th of 2018, and we will always remember Bailey through April's videos that she has on Parrot Playhouse and from all the memories that she shares of rescuing and adopting Bailey, who got the best home and best mommy ever for the time she had here on Earth. On the back it says FIP, which stands for Fly in Peace. It has the date that she passed away. And then my daughter always initials her art with ANC for Alyssa Nicole Carroll. Do we have a special gift that we're going to mail to April at Parrot Playhouse? Did you get to watch the special gift be created, huh, Snooky? And Ducky? And Carrot? Aww. So my daughter, Alyssa, painted a special art rock for April at Parrot Playhouse. And it is a portrait of Bailey, who April lost.
Hi April, we just want you to know that you're in our thoughts and prayers, and I made this rock of Bailey for you. And it says on the back, FIP for Fly in Peace, and it has the date she died. And on the top, it says Bailey. We hope this is a memory you can have forever. She's in all of our hearts, and yeah, we hope you love it.